Now it's going. You want me to go into the wind or straight out?
Let's go straight out. Yeah, kind of like that.
Ready?
Go.
How much time are you giving it?
10 minutes.
Wow, that's way too cool.
What we want to do is a dive test here.
Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa!
No, she's still not leveled out. It's supposed to come back up when it does that. Not come all the way up, but it's supposed to come up.
When it's correctly balanced.
Yeah. Balanced and trimmed.
Now, did you notice I made a left-hand turn with the sonic?
Still not coming up.
So what do? Do you put it back far enough to where it'll you go forward or back?
Need to go back a little.
So you put it in the dive and then release the controls and it's supposed to come up by itself?
Start to climb back up. Won't come clear back up, but
When it starts to climb. No.
yeah, the way it's flying, I've got a little nose heavy.
Bring her in and just when you adjust it real quick. Looks like just a regular aircraft coming in. If we get it a little more.
So, if it's a little nose heavy, that means I gotta take a little weight out.
Oh, you have weight up there.
Yeah.
Need snips. Hang on.
Now, what does it say? Huh.
Look, it's tail heavy now.
I don't know, it's pretty close. Let's try it. See what it does. And get back to normal here. Okay.
Everything's fine. Double the flight check.
Okay. Go ahead. Huh.
Still doing it. Amazing how much space that covers, right?
Still feels nose heavy to me.
Well, could it be after the dawn? It seems. I don't think you're going to put anything more trouble.
No.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. See, that's what mine does too. We'll go down the pipe. I wonder how high she'll go. Wow. Whoa.
It's still going.
Still going. It's going to glide now. I was watching the video on the only 3 in that Merlin. They put it up there and it was just, oh my gosh, that thing was just gliding. Turn the engine on. But just like on that simulator.
I've got the flaps down.
Oh, do you? Oh,
Yeah.
Look at it, just. Plenty of power. Put him back up.
I got another battery. I had to put a lot of, it's still out of whack, man. I can't remember if they said it was,
That looks
see, that's
perfectly
pretty
balanced.
good.
That's to me, you couldn't get any better
I
than that.
don't think so.
I don't think.
And my trim's level, so
Yeah,
I'm just gonna leave it.
I think I would.
Let her ride.